Saturday. Haven't vlogged in a while. Kind of haven't really been feeling vlogging too much, but I'm gonna try to do something, especially because tomorrow's Valentine's Day and I'm trying to do something a little special for the kids. But everything's been going good. We've had a very cold week. It's literally been snowing the last couple of days. Not snow that sticks to the ground, but just flurries in the air. But it has been freezing. I shouldn't even be out right now, but I'm heading to my friend's surprise baby shower. Like, it's so serious, they canceled church tomorrow because they don't want people on the roads. And we've had, like, there was a huge, like, major horrific accident on these roads the other day. So just being extra careful. School might be closed next week because it's just supposed to be so cold and so icy. So I'm headed to my friend's baby shower right now, and then gonna go grocery shopping because we probably won't be leaving the house tomorrow or the next couple of days. And then yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and try to get back in this house. So just wanted to come on here and vlog because, sorry I'm not looking but I'm driving, but sorry I haven't been vlogging, but you know, I've just been doing everyday normal stuff. And I'm kind of, you know, I've been working on a few businesses that I'm working on and trying to launch, so I've been really busy. But as far as YouTube, like, I originally started YouTube just so my kids could have home videos, so we could have videos to look back on, because even now they like to look at videos from 2 years ago and see, like, when Gracie was a little baby, and just see how young they were and what we were doing. So that was my whole reason for it. So I feel like that's just kind of what I'm going to continue with, is making home videos. So like, I'm vlogging now because tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna do like a nice, like, little Valentine's breakfast for them. They're decorating bags, and like, everybody's gonna like put little stuff and little gifts in each other's bags. So that's why I wanted to come on here and vlog for that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes on this icy road and get back to you guys a little later. Bye.
I might have to let him out.
It's fine. It is fine.
He has not been caged up before.
I don't like so.
Alright, hold on, he's recording.
See? Of course she knew it.
Surprise!
I really didn't know until this morning. And
then I wouldn't change the time.
Yes. I was like, hey, what are they doing?
Because she was like, let's hang out earlier in the morning for church tonight. And I was like, no, let's still do 11:30.
And I was like, oh,
We didn't know.
oh my God. Nobody knew.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Because we're
Okay, so I am back home now and about to start cooking dinner. Had such a good time at the baby shower, and then I went grocery shopping. Stayed at the baby shower longer than I thought, you know, just having girl talk. It was nice. Went grocery shopping. Now I'm home. Home cooking dinner, making some spaghetti tonight. Cole and Gianni just went out, I think, to Target or somewhere to do some shopping. Won't tell me for what, but we all know Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so. But no, I don't know. Him and Gianni are going, so I got all the girls here. Don't know what everybody's doing, but I'm trying to cook dinner, see what everybody's doing. As you guys can see, we have tons of laundry that we're in the middle of folding up right now. I definitely don't have one of those perfect houses on YouTube. There's the little ones. There's Khaleesi putting up the blocks. This is the little play area for Gracie and Honor. Yeah, it's a hot mess. Let's see what everybody else is doing. Excuse our house. It is a hot mess right now. These two are probably making YouTube videos.
No, we're not.
Probably.
I love your phone case.
Reading up there.
Mommy, I like your phone case.
Thank you.
You filming a video.
Do your video. Go. This is Ari's channel. Go. Start it out. Do your what's up, guys. Go. Do it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn the notification. Give us a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm gonna. Today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing
Get your foot out the camera.
listening to Johnny Johnny. So let's get
Johnny. Yeah. Okay. Stop making that pucker lip face. I don't know. So yeah, there's my house full of crazy girls. And what they're doing, they're actually not being too crazy right now. It's just my house looks crazy. It looks absolutely crazy. So they have no idea what's in store for the morning for my little Valentine's breakfast I'm throwing for them. So that should be fun. And then yeah, so let me get started cooking dinner because it's 5:30 already. And honestly, I'm ready for them all to go to bed. So see y'all in a bit. We have a snowy Valentine's Day. Have you looked outside? Oh my God, get up. Look out your window. Your daughter?
Oh wait, I need
What?
Gracie will go.
Gracie, come here. Let mommy show you something.
I was in it.
You want to see a surprise? Look at the snow. It's snowy.
I'm not even cold rolling.
Do you see?
Gracie.
Smiling.
You see the snow? Is that so cool? Yeah. You want Daddy to get you dressed and take you down there? Okay.
I want David to. I think
Our snowy Valentine's Day. Ari, zip up your jacket and put your hood on.
We need to find some socks. Some bright eyes. No.
Gianni is super excited.
got that snowball maker. Never got any frostbite.
You got a good size snowball? Khaleesi. Put your hood on, Khaleesi.
Mom, you can literally see my feet.
I'm gonna call White Dairy
Are you already?
on FaceTime. You need to come in the house. Where's Gracie? Look at Gracie, girl. You going inside?
Yeah.
How's she doing, babe? Like, how is she reacting?
No, you not.
You coming inside? Come sit with Honor and get warm.
Oh, it's snowing now.
No, yeah, up here, yeah, it's coming. But like around 5 p.m., it's supposed to be like a blizzard.
Anybody?
Fix Grace.
Slamming herself into
Okay, breakfast is done. We have pancakes and sausage skewers, and they're heart pancakes. Heart bacon was supposed to be heart-shaped bacon. Fruit salad, and some donuts. What do you guys think?
I like it.
Look at your breakfast.
Fire!
Bacon.
Heart pancakes.
This one's
So just grab one like this, put it on your plate,
Looks like a kebab.
and then you just pour syrup on it. Here.
Hey, somebody give me a kebab.
yeah.
Mom, can you get me a kebab? I want a kebab.
Okay, put it around.
what?
Put it on your plate. You got a plate right here.
Please.
It's under your thing. Close the bag right there.
I don't have a plate.
You do. It's right
Oh, I
there.
thought that was chinning.
Like a bug.
Let me get this bag over here.
Honor, nothing though? Honor, stop giving me a stuff.
Pull a name out. Don't let anybody see it. Pull a name out. Don't let anybody see it. Don't let anybody see.
Alright, close it up.
No, I don't want to see it. I said don't let nobody see it. Did you get yourself?
How you got Gianna?
Well, that means someone else is gonna get their stuff.
Not yet. Not everybody has it. Make sure you don't have your own. Look at your thing and make sure you don't have yourself. Yes, put it back. Another one. Don't let nobody see it. Make sure you don't get yourself, but don't let nobody see it.
I want some.
Okay.
Don't think I forgot
Okay, that's yours. That's yours. This is yours. Okay, now, everybody, let me see. Right here. Okay, who wants to go first? Okay, Diana.
Me!
You got Khaleesi. Okay, you have to say what you love about Khaleesi.
I love her because she's very, very funny.
Very funny. Okay.
She is not mad all the time.
Okay. Gracie, you want to go? Let's see who you have.
Yeah.
You have Honor. What do you love about Honor? No. Tell us why. You can stop and start over. Tell us why you love Honor. Is she your best sister? And she's funny?
Is she your best friend?
Pineapples, Mom?
Yeah. Okay, Khaleesi, who do you have?
Gianni.
Oh, what do you love about Gianni?
Whoa.
He's nice and he likes to play video games.
Yeah. Okay, Ari, who do you have?
What is it?
Oh, what do you love about Coco?
He's funny.
We can't turn this way so we can hear you.
He's funny.
He's funny. Okay, Gianni, who do you have?
I got Jenny.
Oh, perfect. What do you love about Channing?
She's dumb funny.
She's dumb funny.
Like she says stuff that's stupid. But it's
Channing, who do you have?
Ari.
What do you love about Ari?
She's nice and caring.
She's nice and caring. That's good. I have Ziana.
Hold on. Who do you got?
She had. Oh yeah, you have Gracie. What do you love about Gracie?
This.
Oh
yeah.
yeah. I have Ziana, and I love Ziana because she is my super, super, super helper all the time. Dad, who do you have?
I have.
Is it on you?
No.
No.
I had. Should I put it on me?
I have to. Not with your hair like that.
I have Gianna, my beautiful wife, and I love everything about her. And I especially love that she does stuff like this and takes time out of multiple days to make the kids have a good breakfast. And I love that, well, first of all, that she loves me back.
What do you have on my shirt?
I didn't even know. I put this on like 3 o'clock in the morning.
He's getting back.
But yeah, I love it.
Happy Valentine's Day. After you eat, you can start looking in your baggies. Go ahead and start looking in your bag.
Oh, Gianna! So first we have a dummy controller, yeah!
Find that gun controller.
I have a lick.
Here, look, Gracie. Look.
I have blue pencil!
Yeah.
Right here. Basically, astronomically kid
Wow.
pencil.
Look what I got, Channing.
Oh! Not going there.
Oh!
That's yours too. Look what it was on top of it.
And 2 more lolly pops.
Ugh!
And you gotta look at your card first.
It's slimy. It's slimy.
Dad, it's heavy.
I'm about to tear this. This box will be gone.
It's heavy.
Hello, Dad. Open it now.
Look at your card first. Oh my gosh. Some pancakes.
It sounds like. No, I mean smell. Mom, if I take this on,
You guys are eating a bunch of candy early this morning. You just ate donuts. Save it. We'll watch movies today. You can eat it. And you over there chewing on a gummy. A gummy controller. Take a bite.
Hold on, I need to take a break. I'm hungry.
Oh my God.
Oh, I ripped my stick.
Thanks, babe.
I don't need these
I
already.
love
Can
you.
you open this, Papa?
Now you can have your
No, like.
Yes.
Mom, I have blue lips. I don't know. Mom, I have blue lips.
What? Yes.
I need the chain.
Oh, where you find
It's
these?
hard.
This is
I
plain.
have blue lips and it has a heart.
my best
Here,
friend
Dad.
Amazon.
You got red.
Amazonian. Now you gotta go.
Now
Oh,
you
I'll get my other bag.
I know everything that's in there.
Mommy, what about your bag? That's mine.
This one's yours.
Can I see?
I am happy with what I have. I like this a lot. That's really good. Good job.
I didn't
like the-
draw that. That was
chocolate
from my
baby.
book. That was from my book. Mommy.
Yes!
Is this from Khaleesi's?
Yes.
It's my bag that Ari decorated my bag for me.
I said from
LOL.
From Channing.
Aw.
Punch it.
Can I see?
Did you see your scarf?
Just
Ari?
look at
Don't get
this.
syrup
That
on
was
your
mine.
scarf.
That picture was mine. So.
I know, it said from Channing.
I know.
You can read if you don't know.
Right. Who's this one from? Oh, Zion.
Show me what you want, what you really, really want. Say, tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I want. Ooh, don't we look good together?
Yummy chocolate.
Chocolate. Y'all get into it.
That's not good when you ask me about that chocolate. What's this? Ooh, a face mask.
Face mask. I was there.
Oh, that's a cute little.
Open that, Mama. Maybe it has money in there.
Got $1 million. $1 million.
It's cute.
Does it have money?
Aw, that's a really cute card.
Does that have money in it?
No, there's no money in it.
Oh, because it already put
Look at the bottom.
Ooh, I see it's a rose.
Mama.
Uh-oh, come here.
I was there.
What? Is it pajamas or a shirt?
Yeah, it's like a night
I'll be whatever
shirt.
you want, cuz.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Mommy, that's for
Ooh,
bath bombs.
some bath sugars.
I tested that
cubes.
candle. I tested.
I haven't started yet.
I'm cold.
Guys, it is after 5 p.m. and the snow is still coming down. Not
It
at
is
all what we expected in Texas, but it's so exciting. We came out here just to take a quick picture because we don't know when this will happen again, but look how beautiful it is.
It's super beautiful.
I absolutely love it. I think it's great.
too.
Oh, he left. Oh, he can't take it, but look
Don't
how
forget to hit.
he
Oh,
can't-
hey man, get my.
he came outside in slides with holes in his socks. And then want to complain like, duh, of course. There's physically, astronomically.
Posting videos.
But I absolutely love it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching our Valentine's Day vlog. Yeah, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. And we'll see y'all when we decide to vlog again. And make sure you follow Physically Astronomically too and go check out his page. Love you guys. Bye.